designed some covers and I'm going to tell you what's wrong with them. This one right here, the title is The Town Where There Is a Veterinarian. So what I would do with this is make the font more readable. It's also in a staircase format, which is kind of distracting, so I would make it not a staircase. Also, the picture has nothing to do with veterinarian as far as I know. So I would change it to something that has more to do with the subject. For example, you wouldn't put a dog on the cover of a book about doctoring. Let's take a look at this book about college. So this one is designed like a nonfiction book, which I don't usually cover a lot of nonfiction in my channel, but this is gonna be an exception. So this is called Off to College. First off, again, the font needs to be changed to something more readable. A good test to see if your font is readable is to show your book cover to some friends and family members, then ask them if the font was too hard to read. Also, it looks like the author maybe couldn't decide on a photo for the cover, so she put both of her favorites on there. Whoever this author is in big trouble with me. I would pick just one photo to focus on, because otherwise the cover looks distracting. This next one is not as busy as the others. Actually, it's the opposite. The town at the edge of the field. Pause this video right now and identify the two things that I'm going to point out about this one. Hint, we've discussed both of the problems previously. And you're back! First off the front. You want your title to be readable and to grab someone's attention. If they have to stare at it for 5 seconds before getting it, that means your font needs some work. The more readable, the quicker the light bulb goes off in the reader's head. And finally, the cover. The cover is really obscure and has nothing to do with anything. Unless your book is called Blurry Lights. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. Got my line right. Oh. And Mo says to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified of the next video.